Would be good if I would take off that cover, because the starter is still stuck up there. I'm about to hit it.
See?
That's it.
Yeah.
Okay, so here we are taking off the clutch. We thought that was the main problem of why the lawnmower wasn't starting, so we tried to rebuild it. As you can see, the bearings, they're shot.
I said just disconnect that back.
Yeah, I'm gonna disconnect. Over there. There you go. And turn it like this. Nah.
The PTO switch. Oh, some of them blades on. Yeah, them blades on. Moment of truth.
I got you, B!
What? What the f? She's spinning, but
It's doing that same thing.
So 2 months passed, you know, we let winter come and go, and then we got back to it. We figured, hey, we changed all the electrical components, still nothing. And then we noticed something. So ultimately, the problem was the connectors. We had one that was burnt up, and that was causing all the problems.
Get that fucking started.
that's what I like to see. Yeah! Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Yeah! That's what I did. Ah! What's the respect about it? What's the respect about it?